Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Guys, I'm still in my trip, so again, sorry for the quality of the audio, and probably I will be here for a while, so again, my apologies for this, but still I'm making those videos for every day, and this is a short update. What is happening now? We basically returned back as we pretty much expected, but well, there was a chance like that. I gave like 35% chance that we'll return to this channel, this triangle. Unfortunately, we didn't make run higher. Well, we wanted, but you know, things happens. So we returned back, and now the situation is more unclear, uncertain than yesterday. And the thing is, the different exchanges you look at, they show different signals, different patterns. For example, this is Coinbase, and is more or less symmetrical triangle here, which is pretty much neutral. And for example, Bitfinex or Binance, both are showing this type of triangles, which look more bullish to me, because if you'd exclude from the analysis this breakout, which I would say pretty much false, then this was the growth, and now we have consolidation, and finally we have the increased rising lows and the same highs, same level highs, so sort of bullish. On the other hand, which is really not confusing but sort of making me worrying, is the total capitalization of altcoins, which on the other hand shows this ascending wedge, and this wedge is basically pretty much bearish, especially that we had it after the drop. So it's not clear, but you see, if we'll continue to follow this trend, then the odds on the side of the fall eventually. And well, basically it's reasonable, but you know, nobody wants to these days except for the crypto to drop again. I do want to buy low, but you know, there are too many of expectation on the long term, so it's sort of I'm torn apart. But anyway, so the question is, which technical pattern, if we look from the technical side of point of view, which technical pattern will be stronger, this wedge or the triangles on most of the exchanges on the Bitcoin side? So I tend to think that now the odds are like 50-50. Yesterday it was like 2-1, but now it's like basically 50-50. It also depends how we will react with this this black resistance line from the global descending wedge of the total capitalization of altcoins. So if we'll break it and hold above it, then maybe this wedge, this blue wedge, will be not that strong formation, but so far it's absolutely unclear. Also, let's look how we'll react with this purple moving average, which is 100 moving average on the 4 hours chart. You see, this time the price reacted with that pretty well, and now it's basically falling with the same blue line, blue support on the wedge. Basically today, tomorrow we will see some results. So today's 4th in my time zone, so 5th, 6th, so somewhere like two days will be more definitive, and maybe 4 or 5 days we will see the breakout one way or another. So I wouldn't suggest to make any trades these days. Me personally, I still in the position, although I consider this to be a high chance to fall, but you know, it may be a trap again. Still, like, Tether is above $1, holds fine. We'll see. Also, the long positions are continue to growth, basically from December 20th. So there is no wonder that we may have a squeeze down if we'll like grow to the previous high, like 35,000, something like that. While the shorts basically don't change much, and There is a bit change of the trend. You see there is like a decrease, and now we're rising again. So both longs and shorts, with the fact that they should be at some point be treated as in a contrarian way. So both shorts and longs, they look more bearish to me at this certain time, especially if the trend will continue. But yeah, anyway, this is a very short update, so let's see how it will react. Cannot say. I would want to say something more definitive these days, but not now. I just don't want to lie to you and being bullish or over bearish. Just today 50-50. Let's see what will happen tomorrow, guys. So that's it for today. Thank you for being with me, and hope to see you tomorrow again, the new update. Goodbye, guys.